If you search for tenderness, it is hard to find. You can have the life you need to live. But if you look for truth, you might as well be blind. It always seems to be so hard to give. Honesty, such a lonely world. Everyone is so untrue. Honesty, it's hardly ever heard, and mostly what I need from you. I can always find someone to see this sympathize. If I wear my heart out of my sleeve. But I don't want some pretty face to tell me pretty lies. All I want is someone to believe. Honesty, 'cause that's the lonely world. Everyone is so untrue. Honesty, it's hardly ever heard, and mostly what I need from you. I can find a lover, I can find a friend, I can have security until the bitter end. Anyone can fall for me with promises again. I know, I know. When I'm deep inside of me, don't be too concerned. I won't ask for nothing what it comes. But when I want sincerity, tell me where else can I turn? 'Cause you're the one that I deep in the heart. Honesty is not